Willie D live.
What's up, family? We got a white woman who was driving down the street, going in the wrong direction. And she apparently got stuck and help was not readily available for her. So she got mad at the black people who would not help her move her car and get it back on the road in the right direction. These were black people that was just minding their own business when she come out of nowhere, driving, in the wrong direction. And wouldn't you know, the police showed up and she played the victim. Did I mention she was drunk? Yeah, fam. Even with that, all of that, driving in the wrong direction, drunk, she still played the victim and made it seem like the black people had done something wrong. Thank God for police officers who exercises objectivity over, yeah. Check it out.
I literally turned around and I tried to turn around and they were like, oh, hell no. I think I saw you out tonight. I literally don't care what you do to me. I just felt like those girls were about to like fucking rob me. Oh. So but again, I don't care.
So were you using a GPS to get back home, or what were you doing?
So I was using my GPS, but it took me like wild, and so I ended up on this road and I went to turn around and then they stopped me and I was like, but I don't think that there's anything wrong with those women. They were just raised differently than me and stop.
Let me stop right there. You're absolutely right. They were raised differently than you. Thank God.
2612 on
Why are you looking like that? Honestly, probably a bad time to tell you this.
Yep.
Those cops were just being assholes to me because I was white.
Who?
Those cops. They were literally, I was like, girl, I did not mean to get stuck here. I was just trying to turn around.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw how she tried to get the little camaraderie thing going, little white on white thing going. Like, hey, they was being mean to me just because I'm white. Hoping to strike a card. Yeah.
So happy if I get a trouble. I'm a good girl. I have one baby daddy and no children except for one. I am a good girl.
All right. Is your car turned off?
You can turn it off. You want me to?
I mean, is it turned off?
You can turn it off.
Is it a key or push to start?
A key?
Is it a key or a push to start?
It's a key.
At your side. Do you wear contacts or glasses at all? All right. So, can you see the tip of my finger clearly?
Mm-hmm.
If I do that, can you see it even more clearly?
Yes.
Okay. With your eyes and your eyes only, I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes. Do you understand those instructions?
I'm trying to understand those instructions.
Do you understand the instructions? With your eyes and your eyes only, I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes. Do not move your head. Do you understand those instructions?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Again, I'm going to repeat the instructions. With your eyes and your eyes only, I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes. You understand those instructions? Okay. All right. All right. This next exercise is going to be called the walk and turn exercise. All right. So, what you're going to do for your starting position while I give these instructions, okay? You're going to place your left foot on the line. You're going to place your right foot directly in front of your left foot with your heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left foot. Do you understand those instructions? All right. Go ahead and move into the same position I am. All right. Do you feel comfortable with those footwear? If you need to take those off, you can take those off.
I feel comfortable now.
Okay. So for the purpose of exercise, I want you to remain in that position while I give you the instructions. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. So from my demonstration, I'm going to be walking that way just for officer safety.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So we're going to start from the position with your left foot on the line. Your right foot directly in front of your left foot.
Okay.
All right? Are you still in that position?
Yeah.
You're still...
Your right or my right?
You're right. Not my right. You're right.
Okay.
All right. Look straight up at the sky. Do you need me to repeat those instructions for you?
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do me a favor, just keep looking up at the sky for me. Look straight up.
Can I sit in your car, sir?
What's that?
Can I sit in your car?
Give me just a second, okay? Keep that position until I tell you to stop. Look straight up to the sky. All right, you're being placed under arrest for suspicion of driving under the influence of alcohol. All right, right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be against you in a court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present now or any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, you want to be appointed to you by the courts at no cost. Do you understand do you understand your rights so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If at any time during questioning you wish to speak to a lawyer, all questioning will cease. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. With those rights in mind, do you wish to answer any of my questions?
I don't remember any that you have.
What's that?
I don't remember any that you have.
Because I haven't asked any yet. Would you be willing to answer questions?
Sure.
All right. Without a lawyer present, correct? You understand your standard? You understand your rights?
I understand my rights. I am unsure of questions that I want to answer.
Okay. If at any time during me asking you questions you wish to speak to a lawyer, all question will cease. Do you understand that?
I will let you know.
So, fam, the video is actually longer than that. Let me just say, this was the mild part of it. She was really uncivilized. Once they put her in the back seat and she realized that she was going to jail, first she was trying to seduce the cop, talking about, so does it mean we're going to be dating after this, and all this kind of stuff, right? So she trying to hit on the cop. Cop ain't buying none of it. He absolutely being dismissive of her. He like, yeah, he's staying focused. He like, he ain't getting fooled by none of that. You going to jail. Once she realized that she was really going to jail, that's when she started screaming the N-word. Oh, she was going like an animal. You've seen an animal, like a wild animal in a cage before, right? That's how she was acting, like a wild animal in a cage. And then she was talking about, I'm a human. I'm a human. She wanted to get in this truck. Remember, she said she wanted to get inside the truck. I suspect that perhaps she wanted to get inside the truck so she could, what rhymes with truck? Yeah, fam. Because she was like, is there anything I can do to get out of this? Is that she one of those type? Do you know how many black men have probably died behind her lies? Oh, you know what? Let's go. If they haven't died, gone to jail, been fired from their job, missed out on opportunities, and let's go down the line. Her mammy, her grandmammy, the great-grandmammy, the great-great, she come from a long line of lies, whole lineage full of lies. I wouldn't be surprised. Whole lineage full of lies. Thank God for an officer like that who didn't go there looking to administer the law based on race, but what was righteous. And it's a damn shame that has to be pointed out, because that should be automatic, right? It should be automatic. But we know in this ragged ass country, ain't no such thing as automatic justice. That's why you got to have people in in the streets, people taken to the streets every time there's a violation out there, because we already know it's tough to prosecute them when they violate certain people. And then other people that get violated by them, they ain't really got to worry about taking it to the streets. They ain't got to protest because they know justice is coming. So that's for all you people out there who, when a white person gets killed, y'all say, well, I bet you, where are the protesters? Where are the protesters? You ain't got to protest because you know justice is coming. You know that. Justice is coming. This is why the police don't kill white people often. They kill white people, don't get me wrong. They do kill white people. But for them to kill white people, they got to make sure they're all the way to the right, because they know justice is going to come. And justice is going to come swiftly. Remember all of those shootings that's been happening around America, with police shooting people, killing people for almost nothing and getting away with it. That black cop killed that white woman from Australia in Minneapolis. I believe it was somewhere in Minnesota. He killed that white woman who called for the police help. Police shows up. She knocks on the window or came by the window, depending on who you want to believe, and it spooked the black cop and he shot her. He went straight to jail, gave him a 20-year sentence. He went straight to jail, and they gave her family millions, not one protest. Didn't have to, because she had that. Yeah, fam. But to that particular officer who was on the scene, I ain't got no problem with that. No more talk.